Now, I'm not even sure. I kind of remember what these look like, but she kind of showed me. But you see, they're still in boxes, and low voltage landscape lights. And let's get a couple of these. Oh, like I said, that was a 6-pack. So apparently there's two. There's two right here. Let's take a look at these. See what we got here. Ay, ay, ay. Almost looks. Almost looks similar to what we have. Yeah. Hey, I was going over with her. Here's the thing too. You go over stuff with your wife, you can talk until the cows come home, and then they go ahead and look and see what they want, and they ordered whatever they want. Right? This is what she got. If it was me, I would have gotten something different. Okay, this is what we're gonna have. Boom, right there. It's not overbearing. It'll be fine, you know. But you have to go. You have to go to the store and see what they have, and make some decisions. Look online. I would look online because they give you so many different choices there. Okay. And here's the little extension rod. Oh, that's kind of cool. No batteries, no bulbs included, because I think these are the LEDs. You see that? That's your light. Can you believe that? All that little stuff. And if that ever burned out, I guess you could unscrew that, take that out, order a new piece, and all that. But hey, that's it. That's all it came with. Can you believe that? And then this is the end thing that gets screwed on there, and then the wire slips through that, and this is just plastic. It's not metal like that other one. Okay, it looks fairly clean and simple to put those in. And I'm gonna look at the directions. Everything comes with directions, so you can look at this in case you have any questions about anything. And I don't think there's going to be any directions per se for the wiring. I'll read this and look, and because I have not wired these before, but usually they're on a low voltage system for exterior lights. Okay, and I'll kind of look at that, and I'll be right back.